My role directly impacts the customer. As a sales engineer at Beckwood Press, I start in the discovery phase of a project and get to see the project all the way through until delivery.
I see the project through the customer's perspective and work with them to find the best possible solution.
So in marketing, my goal is to give people an inside look into everything that we do here at Beckwood. So from the standards by which our presses are built to the people behind them, the people that are building them.
As a project engineer, I work directly with the customer. I coordinate with sales, engineering, production, and service and act as a bridge of communication between Beckwood and the customer.
My role here at Beckwood is to design the control system to fit the customer needs. Two main goals are to increase the productivity and decrease the downtime.
When I'm designing structural systems, I try to tie in their subsystems to where everything is functional for an operator standpoint, but also meets what the customer needs.
So my role impacts the customer starting with a quality inspection. We make sure that all of our parts meet the Beckwood standard, so when they're passed on to the shop floor, we're guaranteeing our customer complete satisfaction.
So in my role, we work with the customers daily, whether it be just troubleshooting some of the machines if they have an issue with that, or getting parts that they need ordered.
My role as supply chain manager is to meet the customer requirements by supplying the right product at the right place at the right time for the right cost and the right quality.
And then we also have our service techs that they're on the road pretty much every day going out to customer facilities. They'll do like quality checks and any maintenance that needs to be done just to make sure that the press is up and running to their standards.